What would it take to be exceptional in anything you do? Who do you need to meet so that you can rise up above all the rest? And what does it feel like to step into a room and light that place up? What if I told you that you are an infinitely powerful being living this human existence? There are no boundaries. There are no limitations. In my workshops, I have two: being an exceptional hypnotherapist and setting yourself and your clients up for success. And in both of those workshops, I'm gonna show you what you need to know and understand so that you can mount up on your wings, step into your greatness, and be that exceptional, amazing you that you were already created to be. So join me in my presentations and my workshops. I'll see you soon.